Now was this fun or was this fun?
Тебе надо было справа встать, не слева, а справа.
Откуда?
А с этой стороны бы ты снимал, было бы лучше.
Почему?
Ну потому что ты нас потом увидел.
Но я наверх поднял, я все видел.
Feel that air. Feels bad. That air feels bad.
And James was afraid of a little water.
Well, I wouldn't have done the brush.
I wouldn't done it twice.
All that driving through the brush at the beginning, that would I wouldn't have done it. Would have killed it. Did that last splash look better?
Yeah, much
It
better.
was way over the top of the car too.
Yeah, it was that's really good.
Ooh, this is much fun right here. How we doing on gas?
Still got a full tank.
Nice.
The gauge working? Yeah. We're getting 5.9 miles to the gallon, but we're still going.
Oh man, there's some more that way. Ah, we'll
So when
reconvene.
you guys were out at